Hello, welcome to this video. I will explain how to solve file path traversal simple case challenge. This challenge is part of path traversal category, also known as directory traversal. To access the challenge, click on this link. So I am accessing this challenge in Burp Chromium browser so that I can capture request and response in the tool. So if we go through the challenge description, this lab contains a path traversal vulnerability in the display of product images. To solve the lab, retrieve the content of the etc passwd file. Difficulty for this challenge is Apprentice, so we can understand these steps should be simple. So I'll go to challenge page. So this is the challenge page, and this challenge is related to path traversal, and in the description also it is mentioned path traversal vulnerability in display of the product images. So the moment we will access the challenge page, we can notice in the captured request, multiple image files are captured. It is important to note, if you click on the filter icon, if this images option is disabled, then all these images request will not be captured. So to solve this challenge, we need to enable this images checkbox so that we can capture request related to image file. So we can take any request and send it to repeater. So in this request, we can notice in the URL query parameter, there is a file name and value for that particular image file is given. So if we click on the send button, it will generate a response. So even we can access the same request in the browser just to check if we are getting the image in return. So we can notice image is showing. So this particular image is part of this challenge URL. Now, as per the challenge description, we need to retrieve the content of etc passwd file. So I will change the image file name with etc passwd as we need to get the content of this file. So click on send button. We are getting 400 bad request and no such file message. So we are getting this 400 bad request because we are trying to get this etc passwd file under images folder. So maybe this particular file is not present in the image folder. So what we need to do, we need to perform path traversal attack. So we can use this symbol double dot. So we can provide multiple double dot symbol so that we can go one back folder. So you can provide multiple folder like this, and you can click on send button. Now, if you notice, we are able to get the content of etc passwd, and here the message is showing us congratulations, you solved the lab. So using path traversal, we are able to solve this challenge. Thank you.